So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that ABCD is a square and BP is equal to PQ is equal to QD, and this BP arc length is equal to this PQ arc length, and it is equal to this QD arc length, and ABCD is a square, so you can see that this is one square, and AB length is given as 4 centimeters, so side of the square is given as 4 centimeter. So we have to find the radius of this circle. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. Here I assume R is the radius of the circle. So R is the radius of the circle, and let's say this is the center of the circle. So if I draw perpendicular from center to the tangent, so this is 90-degree angle and this is 90-degree angle, and here it is touching at the point M, and here it is touching at the point M, and this distance is r, this distance is r, this distance is r, and this distance is also equal to the radius, and this is the diameter of the square, which is root 2 times r. You can calculate by Pythagoras theorem, and this angle is 90-degree, and we know this is an isosceles triangle. OCN is an isosceles triangle because this is r and this is r, so this angle is 45 and this angle is also 45, and we know this angle is 90-degree. So in the triangle ABC you can see that this angle is 45 and this angle is 90, so this angle is 45-degree. And in the problem it is given that AB is 4 centimeter, so B is the point on this semicircle, and P is also point on this semicircle, and Q is also point on this. So this distance is also 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter, because all these are points on the same circle. So now you see this arc length is equal to this arc length is equal to this arc length. So for that this angle must be same as this angle, must be same as this angle. So this angle must be 30, this must be also 30, and this must be also 30. Because we have to divide the 90 into 3 equal parts. So this is 30, 30, 30. And this whole angle we know as 45. So the remaining angle this is like 15, and this remaining angle is also 45, so this is 30, so this is also 15. So this AR is simply a angle bisector, because this angle is same as this angle, so AR is a angle bisector here. And we also know this length is equal to this length. So if AR is an angle bisector and this length is equal to this length, so this angle must also be equal to this angle. So this angle is same in both, and this angle is also same in both. So this third angle will also be same. So this is here will come like a perpendicular, because both are symmetric. So this angle will come as 90-degree, and AR will also uh, uh, act as angle bisector, and this angle is 90-degree here, because this length is equal to this length. So now you look at the triangle PAQ. So P and Q are point on the circle. I also joined them by this straight line. So this, so you look at the triangle PAQ, you know this angle is 15-degree, and here this angle is 90-degree. This 90-degree at the point R. So this is a 90-degree or right angle triangle. So you can apply like sine 15 as PR divided by this hypotenuse AP. PR you don't know, but AP value you know as 4 centimeter, and sine 15 you can put the sine 15 value and you can find the PR value. It will come as root 6 minus root 2. And you can also apply like cos 15 is equal to this side divided by this hypotenuse, so it will come like 4 times cos 15. So after calculation it will come like root 6 plus root 2. So now you know this AR distance and this RP distance also. So now you look at this. So this is our RP distance, and this is AR distance, and this is AP distance, and O is the center. So if you join O and P, so this is the radius of the circle from the center to the any point on the circle. So, and this angle is 90-degree we know. So this is a right angle triangle, so you can write like this thing. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem there, before of that, let's just see the triangle ABC. So we have this ABC triangle, which is also 90-degree or right angle triangle. So you can write AC square as AB square plus BC square. So this side we know as 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter. So this will come like 4 root 2. And now you look at the triangle POR, which I talking previously as right angle triangle. So you can also write here like this OR distance is like this AC whole distance, whole this uh, diagonal, and minus this AR distance and minus this OC distance. So this is this OR distance. So AR we know as this and OC we know as root 2 times R. So this is this. So OR after calculation it will come like this in terms of small r. And now you can also write this OP square as OR square plus RP square. So OP is R, so this will become like R square plus OR we know in terms of small r, and RP we know like this. So after calculation, this will become one quadratic equation. So you can solve, and after simplifying all that, there are two value. One is 4 centimeter and one is this centimeter. This 8 minus 4 root 3 centimeter. So these two value of R will come. So which one we choose, because we know like this distance is 4 centimeters, so the radius cannot be equal to the 4 centimeter. So we are, because this is radius is just this distance, and this AB distance is itself is 4 centimeter. So this is obviously smaller than AB, so this cannot be 4 centimeter. So the R value is this, because R is less than this. So in this way we can find the radius of this smaller circle. So hope you like the video. We will meet in next.